Hey, how's it going? I'm Justin Raw with Modern Day Digital. I'm taking a look at your site because I was a customer of yours at one time, and I look to buy some stuff from you guys in the future. I'm also a digital marketer, and I understand how the internet works and how websites talk to Google and how Google shows things in front of people. Well, anyways, first and foremost, looks like your site was built in 2014 by Haibu. Um, Haibu thought that it seems that you must have told Haibu that sewer systems and dirt work were the type of work that you wanted to do, which is uh, which is okay. You're out of Church Point, and yeah, so I'm gonna just show you some keyword research that just shows like how many times words were searched, like sewer systems in Lafayette, Louisiana, from April of last year to May of this year. Average month was 10 to 100 times a month. Sewage system or sewer system was searched on Google. Check this out. Septic tank was searched 100 to 1,000 times a month. So look, if you want to get in front of more customers, which I'm sure you guys do that are searching online for sewer systems, imagine you go to Google and someone types in, uh, let's do a quick Google search here. Somebody's on their phone and they type in septic tanks in Lafayette, let's say. They type this in, they get these three locations: American, A1, and D&M. Now, Google searches have something to do with location based, and look, I'm on Butcher Switch over here in Lafayette doing this search. Um, you guys don't show up. A1 Septic Tank shows up, which I don't know who they are. Uh, I think this number actually goes to American Septic Tank because they're trying to capture more market. We can talk about that a little bit later. But like you guys, let's go to more places, which a lot of people don't do. But you guys don't show up on this thing at all. Now, on the other hand, if I go back to Google search and I type in sewer systems, which is what your website is optimized for, sewer systems in Lafayette, you get American wastewater and D&M septic tanks. Now, if I take out the N Lafayette, I believe sewer systems SNS will show up. So you guys do show up, but you're in Church Point, you're not in Lafayette, and your website doesn't say anything about serving Lafayette, or it doesn't say anything like this. So Google has no idea that you guys would even come to Lafayette. But I know down the road from Gloria Switch and Mills, you guys have a sign there, so someone lives there with their sign in the yard, and I'm sure you can get them to let us use their address or whatnot. Anyways, we could talk about this later, that kind of thing later. But this Google My Business that you guys have, uh, just the let's go back to this keyword search. So this SNS sewer systems in Church Point, you click on it and it brings up. They call this a Google My Business. You guys haven't claimed this business. I can help you guys do that. Also, I don't know why. I know you guys answer your phone. You show up when you say, you do what you say you're gonna do. You got 3.3 stars, 3 Google reviews. I'm sure you get a lot of your work through word of mouth. But how much work are you guys missing because people aren't finding you because they're looking for septic tanks or they're looking for sewer systems in Lafayette, uh, or maybe I don't know what they're looking for, but like the numbers don't lie. Most people in Lafayette are typing in septic tank over sewer systems. So if you guys want some help to talk to Google, or like if you just want to pick my brain a little bit more, or if you don't care, look, I can help you with this. You can do it yourself. Maybe you guys do this in-house. I'm not 100%. But look, if you ever think about making a new website or start doing some real marketing for your business that's going to like provide a real return on investment, please give me a call. Look, I'm going to put a link in the bottom to look, my cell phone number is 337-349-6558. But look, I'll put a link. You can get on my calendar or you can just call me and we'll try to set up a meeting. But I do know what I'm doing, and I can do way better than these guys here, I'm sure. I'm like positive of it. But just let me know if you're interested, and I'll put a package together. Let me know what your budget is. I mean, we can go as big or as small as you want, as far as the marketing, because we're working with Modern Day Digital is working with um, basically a septic tank installer and a servicer out in Georgia, and we started working with him in June, and he's buying his third truck right now. He's really grown his business. I mean, he has a big budget. I'm not sure how big you guys want to get, or like how big of a service area you want to have. But anyways, I want to work with some local contractors and start showing them some real results. And I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for watching.